Good morning, fourth grade. It's Wednesday, May 6th. So first of all, I just wanted to remind you that we are not having a Zoom class today. So this afternoon between 12 and 1 is the Teacher Appreciation Car Parade, and the teachers will get to eat lunch outside in the shade, hopefully. And the students can come between 12 and 1, stay in your cars, have signs, honk your horns, yell, bring noisemakers, whatever you want to do. We would love to see you so we can say hi, we miss you. And that way you can see all the teachers, plus I think the music, Spanish, PE, Dolphin Club, some of the other teachers will be here that you haven't seen in a long time. So hopefully you can all make it between 12 and 1, which also means no Zoom, okay? But that doesn't mean you don't have school today. So here are your assignments for today. For reading/writing, you're writing your rough draft for The Indian in the Cupboard. So yesterday we filled out the outline on Zoom together. Hopefully you finished it. Please feel free to call me, have your parents message me. I can talk to you on the phone, even if you're confused about anything from that. But you're writing your rough draft. Make sure you write 5 paragraphs. Make sure your paragraphs all have a lot of details. No one-sentence paragraphs, okay? We talked about that. So do a good job. It's due at the end of the week. And make sure you keep your outline. You're going to turn in the rough draft and the outline together. So work on that. For math today, you have a vocabulary assignment. So go on Google Classroom and you can get to vocabulary. It's about area and perimeter. Hopefully will help you remember what the difference is and how you find area and perimeter. And then like usual, please do Rocket Math and Accelerated Math and Freckle Math if you have time. For history, I want you to finish your studies weekly. It's not due till Friday, but we're going to do a little bit more science tomorrow. So it'd be good if you finish today. I want to point out this article. What effect have cars had on the state of California? So because California developed a lot of big cities after cars were already invented, unlike the East Coast, we have a lot of freeways and a lot more cars than some other big cities that use more public transportation. We're a car state. So in this article, it talks about different drive-throughs and drive-ins that became really popular. So for an optional extra for fun activity, I sent a blank paper home. If you want to design your own drive-in business, draw a picture of it, explain it, be super creative. It can be something that's not even possible if you want, but be creative. We normally would do that in class this week. So if you want to do that at home and send it in with your studies weekly, I would love to see it. Maybe I'll hang them up in the classroom. Okay, so that is optional, but you do need to do the crossword puzzle. So if you're done reading, work on your crossword puzzle. And then handwriting, lesson 21, day 3. And then for art, I want you to make sure you finish coloring your mosaic design, the squares, and send me a picture of it by tomorrow so I can get all the little squares ready to send home to you so you can make your mosaic. Remember that each square needs to be all one color or divided in half diagonally. That's it. So don't draw a bunch of little details, okay? All right, points for today. So for Freckle, Mackenzie, Thomas, Travis, Morgan, and Michael earned a point. Mackenzie earned a bonus point for having the most problems correct, and Morgan a bonus point for having the highest accuracy. And then lots of Rocket Math again. Mackenzie passed 2 levels, Morgan 5, Bryce 1. Hello, Mrs. Fullerton. Goodbye, Mrs. Fullerton. There's Mrs. Fullerton. Say goodbye.
Who's that?
My class.
Whoa.
Christy 1, Midori 11, Michael 3, Adam 1. Keep that up. And then Hangman. So for Hangman today, more people guess. So as you can see, the puzzles are a lot more filled out, which is great because you only have until Friday to solve them. So for the points, Adam, Bryce, Mackenzie, and Michael all guessed the letter I, which was a good guess. So you each earned 12 points for your group. Christy guessed S, and there were 9. Geronimo M, and there were 4. Midori C, and there were 3. Thomas B, and there were 3. And Leah guessed T, the jackpot, 18. She got 18 points for her group. So right now, Leah's group is in first place. Bryn is in first place still. In second place is Huerta. They came from behind. And in third place right now is Jobs. but it's only halfway through the week. You still have time. Okay, so hang me on. I'm going to move out of the way so you can look at this puzzle. As you can see, you can probably start figuring out some of the words, which should give you some ideas of letters you can guess, but don't try to solve word by word. You have to know the whole thing before you send me your answer. And then this one. Obviously, the first word is I. You got that one. Okay, so send me a letter. You can solve only one of the two puzzles. You don't have to know both, but you have to know the whole puzzle before you send me an answer. So hopefully I'll hear from some more of you by 3 o'clock today, and hopefully I will see you all at the car parade between 12 and 1. Have a good day.